Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Priyanka. Today I am gonna show you how I created this beautiful look. So let's get started. First I am using this Pond's moisturizer to moisturize my face, and don't forget your under eyes and also the neck, and remaining we can apply on the hands. First we will do our eye makeup. So I am applying concealer as a base and then we will blend it nicely. Now I am dabbing some pink eyeshadow on my crease line, and from outer side we will make it little upward as you can see. Now we will blend it with a light pink color. Apply some concealer on center of lash line and look up. This will guide you to cut the crease easily. In this we are gonna do full cut crease. After that we will clean that area and again apply concealer and blend it. In inner corner I am applying golden shimmer. In center we will apply orange shade and reddish orange on outer corner, and we will blend this together. I am outlining my crease line with a golden glitter. We will remove any fallouts from the face, and then we will do our base. So I am moisturizing again my under eyes and applying some moisturizing spray. Now we will take pea size amount of primer and apply in circular motion. Then we will apply concealer on under eyes, blemishes and around the mouth and blend it nicely in a dabbing motion. After that I am using Pore HD foundation from MyGlamm, and we will apply it all over our face including neck and blend it nicely with a beauty blender. Then I am applying some cream blush and blending it. Now I am setting my foundation with translucent powder and then applying some powder blush and some highlighter on cheekbone, nose of the bridge, chin, cupid bow and on forehead. Now we will fill the brows and highlight our eyebrow bone. Applying Maybelline black kajal on waterline and then applying pink eyeshadow on lower lash line, and we will merge the lower eyeshadow with the upper one. Apply highlighter on inner corner of the eyes. Then I am applying some eyeliner and mascara to finish our eye look. Lip lining my lips with dark pink and filling in with medium pink. And finally setting my overall face with a fixing spray. I will apply my false lashes and come back. And this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section if you liked it. And if you love this look, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And guys, happy Diwali to all of you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.